Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we've got issue 72 of Hachette Part Works Build the Terminator. So we finished the lower right leg in issue 71 and now we're beginning on the left arm. So let me show you what we're going to be doing in that. So as you can see, we get a few little parts in here. There's not too much to do in this issue actually. So as we open it up, these are the parts that we get. And basically all we're going to be doing, this is all our build instructions. We're going to take in this part, just like we did on the right arm. We'll be sliding this into here, attaching this onto the end, a screw right the way down. So you're going to need a screwdriver that's going to be the length of this, because you're going to put this screw down there, screw them together, and you should have this solid piston at the end. And coming up in issue 73, we're going to be continuing work on the left arm, and we're also going to be making the shoulder piece. So we've done all the right side now, and it looks like we're moving off and we're going to be doing all the left side. So hopefully we do all the left arm and we do the left leg and get that one done as well. One of the things that came in the post yesterday was this. I got my Alex Builds face mask. Let me show you this. There we go. As you can see, it's got Alex Builds written across the top. And on here we've got the Terminator, the Enterprise, the Ecto-1, the DeLorean and the Ford GT in there as well. All the names of the builds down the bottom. Yeah, really happy with that. It's really nice and comfortable as well. So yeah, very cool. So this should be a nice quick easy video. So let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging and here they are here, and you'll be happy to know they are die cast, which is quite a relief because the one on the right arm was die cast, so I was hoping that the one on the left arm was going to be die cast as well. So what we've got to do is we're going to be sliding this down into here, just like so. We've got our screw ready on our screwdriver, and then we've just got to slot this on the top there, and then basically that screw that's on this screwdriver is going to go down here and screw this bit to the top. So let's get that on, screw that down. We'll go nice and tight with this, you don't want it to come apart. Just like that, so have a nice solid piston. So that's all we had to do in this issue with this, so we're going to stick this away in the drawer until we need it again. So as I said at the beginning of the video, coming up next time we're going to be continuing with the left arm and we're going to be making the shoulder piece there. So now is an ideal time, if you haven't already got them, to get these and start fitting these. This is the replacement wrist joints by modz and the replacement finger joints, because we've already installed them on the right side. So now we're going to install these two on the left side, because in here we do have the joint for the left side in there, so that's going to be going on the left side. We've also got the finger replacements for the left hand as well in there. And if you haven't already picked them up, we've got these two here as well. These are the replacement eyes in there. You get a few different lenses in there, so if you haven't picked these up yet, go and pick these up. They're very, very cool. And these here, the replacement teeth, to give you a much better look than the actual stock teeth that you get with the actual model itself. So there you go guys, that's issue 72 all done, and I told you that was going to be a quick easy video, and yeah, we're on to issue 73 next. So if you want to pick this model up for yourself and you think you missed about, you haven't, because you can now go across to Agora Models and pick it up from there. I will leave the link down in the description down below, and you can start this one from pack 1. Also guys, I am on Patreon, so you can come across there if you want, and I'll leave a link down here in the description below. We do some behind the scenes stuff, some raw unedited footage, some Patreon only videos, early access to all the videos that go on the channel. Yeah, there's some photos, yeah, basically loads of stuff to go on there that I can't really do on the YouTube channel, so that's all on there. If you want to come across, I will leave a link down in the description below. So I hope you liked this video guys. If you did, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.